If you are a graphic designer and want to earn passive income, you should know this website and sell your design. In this video, I'm going to tell you how this website works, how to register, how to create design, and how to upload it. So make sure don't skip this tutorial. So I'm going to tell you about MasterBundles. Maybe some of you are still curious about this website. For your information, MasterBundle is a creative digital marketplace since 2016. The goal of the marketplace is to allow graphic designers to sell their works. Even though we can buy designs from other designers through this website, but the most important thing is, what do they sell? Here you can see the product they sell. Graphic, there are several elements such as logos, page, texture, background, and many others. And then font, if you like creating font, like serif, script, and then add-ons, template, like social media, mockups, printable, resume, UI kits, and then stock content, footage, photos, then blogs, and then free deals. Let's take a look one of background on this website. We're gonna choose this one for example. For your information, you can sell your single design or bundles. The price we get from selling our work on this website is very profitable. MasterBundles is the only marketplace that offers vendors cut up to 50%. So if a customer buy our design with personal license, example, the price is $8. What you will get as a vendor is $4. I think that's fair compared to other marketplaces. Let's see what type of file can be uploaded on this website. JPEG, PSD, file size, date of creation, color, rating, category, and the last one, description of the product. I'll be doing in description to register. Just click sign up to get started. It's totally free to create an account. Just fill out your new account such as first name, last name, email, username, and password. Don't forget to check this section and then click create account, or you can sign up using Google account or Facebook. After that, you can choose several at once or one which suits you the most. I choose vendor or seller. You can also choose affiliate if you want, and then click choose my role. To complete registration as a product vendor, you should enter your phone number here. So input your phone number and then click get the code. Wait a moment to receive the verification code. Enter the code and confirm. Good job! Registration has been successful. We are ready to sell design in MasterBundles. But before I tell you how to upload design in MasterBundle, it would be nice if I show you how I made the background using Inkscape. the first thing you have to do is log into your account and enter the dashboard menu. Click Submit Product. Before uploading file, we have to prepare several image and zip file. But first, we need 1100 by 1100 pixel, and the maximum file is 500 kilobyte. Drag your image for display picture like this, and then add a product title, 5 bundles, hand-drawn flower background with pastel color, only $8. Letting the buyer know exactly what we are selling. Select your second preview image. Okay, and then attach the zip file, including ABS and ZPage files. Make sure your file is easy to edit for buyer. We have to add media, but the size of your photo must be maximum 700 kilobytes. You can resize your image. Okay. To maximize your style, we can add preview image to promote on Pinterest. The size of the photo cannot be more than 1000 by 1500 px and 700 kilobyte. Add your product description, minimum 150 symbols. We can choose graphic, background, and folder. You can set your file as free or paid, but for now, I want MasterBundles who set the price, so just click auto pricing. Add your property. I'm going to check the EPS and JPEG file because I included them in the zip file. We're almost done. For finishing, we should check privacy policy and term and condition. Okay, we are ready to submit now. There are special offers for you, designer. You can get a $25 bonus by uploading 100 new products in MasterBundles. This offer starts from February 16 until June 2023. These are the terms and conditions of the promotion. First, a vendor will receive a $25 bonus for every item added. Second, our product must be added through the short deal form. Add link on the description box, don't worry. Third, when you have added 100 products, you need to notify manager. Send an email to deals@masterbundle.com with the subject, "Where is my money?" Fourth, please keep in mind you can withdraw your fund starting from $50. To withdraw, we can add to up your bonus money and the commission you earn from the sale products. The last one, but not all, the product quality on a whole ton. So how about the product requirement? In order to get a bonus, your products must meet the criteria. First, for logos to be eligible for the promotion, bundle them into small box or 5 or more items. SVG and t-shirt design must be 5 plus items in the pack. And then presentation, flyer, business card, font, resume, and you can also add AI generate products. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and create an account, upload your works, and claim bonus $25. I think MasterBundle is a really good marketplace to earn passive income. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.